video, I'm going to package my camera, my recorder, my camcorder. So that's what's going to be on the video for today. I had it sitting in the room for a minute. So that's some information there. I don't want anybody to really see. I noticed that people do that on Facebook. They not Facebook, YouTube. They put their mailing address out there and stuff like that. All their personal freaking stuff, really. But anyways, let's open it up and see how it looks and what. So what it is a Panasonic. I can't remember what exactly it is. There's your bubble wrap. Sure, don't mess things up. Let's see what the heck. Koa 2-in-1 USB 3.0 memory card. So I'm really new to all this stuff, so I gotta get knowing how to use this. Which it looks like something that you put in your laptop, which most likely is, duh. But I'll have to figure out how to do all that. I don't have to, but I shall. So what it is a Panasonic, you know, from my other camera that I'm using right now at the moment, which is a Panasonic. I've had good luck with my V380? V8? No, V3 or HC-380. Well, whatever. But anyways, I'll put the information on in the description box, and let's see what this one says here. New OIS, new view. It's probably Spanish. High sensitivity. Mic input, zoom intelligent, which is what, 50 times, zoom optic 20 times, wireless wind camera, HDR movie, level shot. Pretty much just the same as my other one, but I'm pretty sure this is much better than my other one, although the other one's full high definition. So I'm assuming this all comes with it, which I on my other package of my camera that I had, the Panasonic that I've been using for the videos I've been uploading, it didn't come with the bag. It didn't come with that. Well, it looks like it comes with that, but this here I had to buy separately, and I got this one off of Amazon. I can't remember what. It was actually a guess on how big it was and stuff like that. I just wanted to see if it would fit, and if not, then I was gonna just use it for something else. But you know, the camera did fit. Once again, I got this off of Amazon, and it's for the camera that I'm using right now for the video. But anywho, I'll put this on the side. It looks like this one comes with one, which I don't know if it does. It's just probably, I don't know. But a battery, charger, and it comes with, what is this? Wide conversion lens. Hey, that's cool. That's a bonus. Carrying case. I'm assuming it comes with it then. Battery pack. Well, yeah, that's for the battery. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So they're V785. Almost said 35, but 85. Let's see it there. Okay, let me do some adjustments to the camera. Okay. Here we are. Let me pull this down a little bit more so we can see a little bit more of what's going on down here. Okay. So we'll go here. So this is the reason why I got a new camera, is because I had the camera for the camera that I'm using once again for a long time. I think I want to say 3-4 years, nope, 5, 6, maybe 7 years or something like that. But anyway, it's new it's due for a new camera. So here's the instructions here, how to operate the camera. That's a lot I got to go through. HDMI, Wi-Fi, certified, all that good stuff. So I'll put that over here. There's another. Oh, this is for different. If you're a different person, if anything. And that creaking in the background is my door opening up. So let me go get that quiet. Alright. So back to the camera. Let's see. This is the camera. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay. I still can't remember. There's some more stuff in here. Let's see what it all came with. Had a long day, so excuse me there. This looks like a charger to the camera. Okay. Or no, it could be from the camera to the TV. I know I had another. I had on the last camera I did get. It came with one of these too, but look, it's more better than this. Like the quality was more better than this one here. If that's what it is, I could be wrong. Or if this could be that that part I'm talking about, which goes from your camera to the back of the TV, which it has like a HDMI port. So right there's your port. I think that's what it is actually. Well, I don't know. Shoot. Anyways, those came with that. Same hookup. I don't know the difference. Oh well. And of course the box for the charger. I mean, you know, what the heck. And let's see what else it came with here. That's our battery pack. Okay. And it doesn't come with the wall free, you know, where you plug it into the outlet and then you put the battery in it. No, I mean, you have to leave the battery in the camera itself to charge the battery, which is crazy, but it works good. Let's see what this one is here. Shit, what the hell is that? Sorry about the background. I got traffic going by and I got my washer going. This one here is for your, this is the camera charger, I know that for sure. So that's what plugs into your camera, and this goes into the port here, the port goes into this, of course. No, oh shit, wait, I'm lost. Okay, so it goes into this part. Right there. There's my charger. Okay. And I still don't know what these parts are, I don't know. But anyway, I'll figure them out here in a little bit. I'm pretty sure this one is the one that goes from the camera. So what you could do is view your videos on whatever you had recorded on your camera. Hook this up to the TV, and then you hook this small end to the camera, put it in the camera, and it'll be on TV. Like you can see, how would you say it? A full screen of your recording. But anyway, that. I still don't know what this is, but I'm going to find out. I should find out while I'm doing this, but kind of excited to dig into the camera itself and see how it looks. Oh, heck yeah, that's way bigger than the camera I'm using right now. That's way bigger. Dang, let's see, 5.1 CH zoom, whatever that is. But I didn't get to read that portion, but you can, the viewers, you viewers can see it. And let me check it out. Panasonic or OIS optical image stabilizer. Optical image stabilizer. High sensitivity. Mic input. Full high or HD. Oh, so this one here is a HC-v785. This one here is a HC. Oh, what the hell is it? HC-v380. But for the camera, this camera here is pretty awesome. But this camera here shall be even more awesome. It's pretty much the same. Let's see, camera function, push. What the heck? Hey, what the heck? That looks way classy. That's like way classy. Same, everything just like how the camera is that I'm using for now for this little video. Let me see if it turns like, yep, it does. Just like how the camera is. Just like how the camera that, the old camera. We'll start calling this camera the old camera, this camera the new camera. Anyway, that's cool. Just exactly like that. Shoe adapter. Shoe adapter. Maybe that's for this. I'm assuming. Shoe adapter. Huh. Shoe adapter. So like real, like, you know, a real person that's too interested and not even looking up freaking the instructions, you know, I just want to kind of get into it and try to assume that I do know, which I don't know, but I mean, who ain't like that? I know I am for sure. And it's got, let's see here. It's got pretty much the same setup that's with the old camera. Let's see, only difference is that it's got a mic input, so I don't know about that one there, but shoot, it looks pretty neat. It's way big. It's definitely bigger. It's like freaking, but it's not heavier. I don't know. The old one's heavier than this one, but I don't know. Maybe it's just, I don't know. No idea. Shoe adapter release. Maybe that's not even. That's just probably the battery itself. That. Let's see what the heck. We'll put it down. Let's go into the battery. I don't think these are already ready to go batteries, such as already got a charge and things like that, but that's how it goes. So the battery is just similar as the one that's on the old camera here. Let's see about the open and shut here. Let's see, how the hell, wait, camera action, maybe it's that. No, what the heck, I don't know what the heck that is. I better read it first before I start messing around. What the heck, it's got a headphone input, so you got a port there that you can plug in your headphones. What the heck, that's cool. And then same old same like the old camera, they're just where your charger goes. Not your charger, but your plug in for the wall, and then it goes into here, your input. Recording button here. Volume, what the heck? Then how do you freaking camera function push? What the heck? Then how do I get the shutter to open? How do I? Huh. I pushed that, you can feel it go give in. And it obviously does something, but it didn't do nothing. Maybe because I don't have the camera on. Let's see. It looks like a light right there. What the heck? The old camera don't even have a light. But we'll see here in a little bit. I gotta charge it. Right here's where you put your. Let's see. Wait, is that it? Yeah. Oh, what the hell? That's cool. Here's your SD card right here, where you put your card in for your memory and whatever you record. That's cool. But I don't know how to get the shutter open. Let me see. The old one's got like a flip right here where you flip it either down or up. Flip it down, it closes it. Flip it back up, it opens the lens. But I don't know about this bad boy. I never. Let's see. This got to be your zoom, just like the old camera. So that's that. Let me see here. Wind shield. Whatever that is. And these ain't really big. Actually, this one's a little bit bigger than the old one. Let's see. The old one's 90 times. This one's, I don't know what, the 50 times. What? I think the old one's more powerful than this one. What the heck? What's the difference? Well, let me get a measuring tape so you viewers can see how big this little sucker is. Give me a sec. Alright. So the width or the length of the camera is only 6 inches. Give or take, or even 5.5. Let me see, put it right there to about 5.5. And the width of it would be, let's see here, about maybe 2.5, if that. But you know, it's pretty small. It's really small, compact. But let's see, that's the camera. Once again, it said it came with the carrying case. Optional accessories. Oh no, it's optional, I guess. I don't know what the hell. All this, I guess, I just kind of went through it fast because I was kind of excited to check it out. But optional. So shoot. Bummer, because I thought there for a minute it had a carrying case. But anyway, this is the new camera I'll be using throughout the vlogs I'll be uploading. Nothing fancy, but then again, to me, it's really brand new. It's like, I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to take it out to the outdoors and go see how the power works and things like that. It's pretty classy looking, better than the old one. It's got red trimming around the lens where the lens opens up and stuff like that. But kind of a bummer because I'm looking at it and it says 50 times zoom. The old one says 90 times zoom. Oh well, shoot. But anywho, that's that. I hope you enjoyed the video.